My previous organization is Canter Operations, where I was associate manager at service programming team. My current organization, I am the assistant manager at EY. Compared my current last organization to my this organization, so the percentage which I almost got, that is, give me a minute, almost like 80%.
Before joining the course, I was working as a data analyst in a firm. And once I completed my course, currently working as an AI developer from last. And also the data after switching to the AI developer field, I also got a salary hike of around 300%.
Worked at multiple MNCs, the big MNCs like HCL Infosys, Fujitsu, HP, CSC, IBM, and then currently I'm working for LTM. It's a L&D IT organization. So here I'm working as associate director IT.
I will get that 20 or 25% hike.
I was working with Cognizant till last year September, like I said, as a service delivery manager at a senior manager level, and now I have moved into GE Vernova as a director digital finance, and I'm currently handling technology finance operations as a leader, as a global head. And this role has happened because of the efforts what Intellipaat has put in through this course curriculum. In terms of percentage, it would be around 122%.
Earlier in financial pay, I was working as an analyst, and recently I've joined Deloitte as a consultant. Upskilling played a very crucial role in helping me transition from finance focused role to a data driven role. Through the Intellipaat course, I was able to gain necessary technical skills and practical exposure, which directly contributed to my role at Deloitte.
I was working in Genpact as a software developer. After completing the AI/ML advanced certification program from Intellipaat, I got an opportunity to work with Morgan Stanley. So now I'm working as a director at Morgan Stanley, and in this job switch, I got like 100% increment, I'm quite happy that I preferred Intellipaat as my learning partner.
When I was doing the SQL course from Intellipaat, at that time I switched my career also from technical support to I joined the freight forwarding and logistic company. I'm a general manager here. I got a 30% hike while I was joining this organization. Within a year, I got a second hike also.
I just genuinely owe a big part of this to achievement to the Intellipaat team. The knowledge and the confidence, the industry ready skills that I have gained through the program have directly contributed to just achieve this milestone within the 6 months. I have started my career as a Python developer. Right now, I am in the speedboat services. I am the only data analyst. After switching from a previous company to this company, the overall percentage hike which I received was 108%.